what do we have here for the sign of air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius? For air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, what do we have here for the sign of air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius? Knight of Wands, the King of Cups, Ten of Pentacles, Four of Swords. I feel like you're walking away or umiiwas or lumalayo ikaw dito sa mga taong minsan nang nagbigay ng happiness sa'yo. Like, maybe they are people in the past or maybe hanggang ngayon, no? Maybe friends, groups of people na parang pwedeng yung iba nakatulong sa iyong career, sa iyong status, yung iba naman pwedeng may kinalaman sa pag-usap ninyo regarding money, or maybe partners and friends and business partners, etc. And nakikita natin na nagwa-walk away ka dito because pwedeng naramdaman mo yung feeling na parang hindi nila masyadong tinreasure yung mga ibinigay mo, itinulong mo, or there's this, maybe this period, no, ay unti-unti mong nakikita kung ano talaga sila, and mas nararamdaman mo na parang they don't care, wala silang pakialam, so you're just walking away na umiiwas ka na lang, lumalayo ka na lang sa kanila. And hindi ko masabi kung particularly sino ito, of course magkakaiba kayo ng story, no? And this is general reading, but whoever these people are, or maybe a particular person, pwedeng isa lang siya or pwedeng marami sila, nakikita natin yung action mo na umaalis ka na lang, lumalayo ka na lang, umiiwas ka na lang, no? Maybe because ayaw mo ng away, ayaw mo ng gulo, or maybe some of you gusto mo sila ang mag-take ng actions, sila yung lumapit, ganyan. But you are a person na very intuitive, and for some of you, hindi ka mabait ka, pero hindi ka mabilis makalimot, no? If it has something to do with a friend or a career, no, na maybe a colleague na pwedeng may ginawang hindi maganda sa'yo, okay, maybe pinapatawad mo, pero it doesn't mean kakalimutan mo yung ginawa niya. Pwedeng pinatawad mo lang siya na in a way, sige, okay na, ganyan, pero deep inside, sa sarili mo, dahil dito sa mga nalaman mo, nag-iba yung view mo sa kanya as a person, nag-iba yung paningin mo, pananaw mo, maybe sa friendship ninyo, and ito yung nagke-create sa'yo ng feeling na parang, o sige na, okay na, parang ganun. Kailangan na ng pagbabago, kailangan na ng changes, and ikaw na ito na gumagawa noon ng changes sa connection mo with these people, okay? So, take only what resonates, guys. Sino the person na nakakonect mo pagdating sa love? Nakakita ko ng ano pala, parang, anong tawag dito? Hindi ko alam kung nagkabulutong ka na eh. Kasi pag nagkabulutong ka, di ba parang may butas na na marka. Yan, I don't know kung meron ka bang ganon. Like maybe naka-experience ka ng bulutong, tapos hanggang ngayon may mga peklat pa yung bulutong na yon. Some of you, nasa mukha. But anyway, take only what resonates ka. Okay lang kahit di ka makarelate sa part na yun. Sinabi ko lang. Okay, this person, you're dealing with a person who is very immature. Pagdating sa love, this person is very immature. With a Page of Swords and a Page of Wands. And you do have here the Nine of Pentacles. They see your talents, they see your money, they see your appearance, more on appearance, and nakikita nila kung gaano ka nagbago, no? And maybe yung iba wala itong kinalaman sa love. Maybe these are just the people na nabanggit natin kanina na pwedeng iniiwasan mo. And yung iba, may kinalaman to sa love. Yung iba kasi wala akong nakukuhang love energy. Like, they are just the people na naging involved doon sa pag-iwas mo. No? And nakikita natin na masyado silang naging immature. Alam nila yon, ramdam nila yon na naging immature sila. And I feel like pwedeng wala silang clue na sila yung reason ng pag-iwas mo or paglayo mo. Like, pwedeng hindi ka naman naging open doon, yung parang all of a sudden, you just, nagkaroon ka ng clarity, tas bigla ka na lang hindi nagparamdam ganun, or bigla ka na lang dumistansya, or bigla ka na lang nagkaroon ng, you just left them. And so, that's why parang hindi nila nararamdaman, or hindi nila na-pick up na, oy, sila yung dahilan kung ba't ka umiwas. Parang ganon. Hindi mo naman, kasi ikaw hindi ka yung tipo ng tao na parang mag-explain. No? In a way, pwedeng, let's say, halimbawa, pwedeng may pag-uusap sa inyo. And then, after nun, sabihin na natin hindi naging okay yung pag-uusap. Mga a couple of days, sige, okay pa yung connection or okay pa yung pag-uusap. Tapos, all of a sudden, bigla ka na nagkaroon ng clarity. Tapos, ayoko na. Parang ganun. Kaya hindi siya nagkaroon ng idea. Or hindi sila nagkaroon ng idea na sila yung dahilan. Okay, so ganun yung napipick up natin dito. And they see you as the Nine of Pentacles. They see you as someone na parang very respectful or iba talaga. Umaga parang mataas din ang tingin nila sa'yo. And nakikita nila yung halaga mo, yung value mo. And pero parang may pagkukulang or may kakulangan ka na nakikita sila. Pero para sa'yo, maaaring hindi mo nakikita yon, of course. And you don't care anymore. Okay, may nakikita man kayong kakulangan sa akin, I don't care anymore. So, yun yung thinking mo. High chance, guys, na itong reading, parang hindi ako nakakuha ng love energy. Pero some of you talaga, meron, konti siguro. Maybe it has something to do with your career, your work. Emotions. Let's talk about your emotions sa isa't isa. Or any message na lalabas dito, of course. Kasi nga yung iba, hindi naman to love reading. Hindi ko to kukunin. Masyadong marami. You do have here the Nine of Wands and the Nine of Pentacles. Oh, the Empress is here. Ten of Swords and the Justice card. This is Libra energy. Bottom of the deck is the Eight of Wands. Okay, nasabi ko naman sa'yo yung paghanga or pagtingin ng mga taong ito sa'yo. Like, they see you as someone na mataas ang kalidad, no? Sabihin na, high quality. You are a person na hindi basta-bastahin or hindi babastahin. You are a person na may power. You are a person na may goal sa buhay, and you are a person na wherein kaya mong i-attract lahat because napaka-attractive mo. Ganun. And then this energy of you here with the Queen of Wands, I feel like hindi mo nakikita kung ano yung pagtingin sa dito mga taong to. Like, you don't know kung gaano kanila hinahangaan. Hindi mo alam kung ano yung pagtingin nila sa'yo na parang, if this has something to do with love, kung ito ay love reading, para sa iba kasi love reading talaga siya, hindi mo alam kung gaano ka nagugustuhan itong taong to, not only because of your money, possession, and skills, talents, hindi lang doon, but the way na i-handle mo yung sarili mo, the way that you show yourself to the world, parang ganon. And also yung mentality mo, yung utak mo, yung galing mo sa pamamahala, yung galing mo pagdating sa iyong parents, yung galing mo pagdating sa iyong mga anak kung ikaw ay may anak, and yung pagiging creative mo, all of that is nakukot mo yung attention nitong person na to and nagugustuhan ka niya because of that. Because of how you project yourself to the world. Yun yung mas nakukuha natin. And hindi mo alam yun. Hindi mo nakikita yun. Hindi mo nararamdaman yun. No? Because the Nine of Wands, you see yourself and the Nine of Pentacles na pwede nakikita mo na parang, oo nga, may kulang sa'yo. But, you are trying to address or punuan itong mga pagkukulang nito. Pero ang nakukuha ko sa'yo, lagi mo nakikita na may parang may kulang, may mali, may hindi okay, ganyan. And when you look at the mirror, lagi mo napapansin yung mga pangit, yung mga hindi mo nagugustuhan sa sarili mo. And sometimes, ito yung nagbibigay sa'yo ng pag-iisip ng ganyan, 'di ba? The Ten of Swords, I feel like there's an ending na nangyayari sa inyo ng person na ito or people na ito na nagiging dahilan para mawala yung connection or communication. Like maybe you're trying to improve yourself nang wala sila or wala itong taong ito. And the Justice card, clarify the Justice card, please. Clarify the Justice card. By the way, medyo maingay pa sa aking background, guys, ha. Gisingan pa po yung mga tao dito kasi medyo maaga ako nakapag-reading ngayon. Usually, mga madaling araw ako nagre-reading para tahimik. But anyway, the King of Pentacles is here, so also the Queen of Swords. Gusto ko pang kumuha ng isang card. Clarify the Justice card and the King of Pentacles. The Moon. And the Ace of Pentacles. And the Five of Wands. Ang iniisip nito mga taong, like there is this time na parang gusto nilang sabihin sa'yo yung totoo, or there is this time din naman na gusto nilang tumahimik na lang, wag na lang makapag-connect or wag na lang makapag-usap. Parang gano'n, napaka-imbalance nitong part na ito. And if it has something to do with your career, and there are times na gustong maging totoo or sabihin ng mga taong ito yung totoo. And they want to be honest with you, no? But, maybe they're thinking about this new beginning. Pero, parang nagiging magulo or mahirap para sa kanila itong mag-share or magsabi kasi may mga problema or may mga kaguluhan pa dito. Yeah, if it has something to do with love naman, itong person na to medyo a little bit down or medyo pwedeng marami ang nagpapabagsak sa kanya ngayon or marami siya nagiging problema. Lalo sa mga tao sa paligid niya na nagiging dahilan kung bakit hindi siya maging totoo or magsabi ng totoo sa'yo. So anyway, what will happen in the future for you, air sign? In the near future, you do have the Four of Wands and the King of Swords. I really do like the energy here. And the Strength card. Okay. In the near future for air sign. Okay, in the near future, the Devil and the Three of Cups is here. Bottom of the deck is the Page of Cups. Okay. Nakakita tayo ng something na paparating or babalik sa buhay mo with the Three of Cups. This is like reconciliation. Maybe regarding sa career, pwedeng ganon. Maybe a past employee pwedeng bumalik if you do have a business. Maybe a career na pwedeng in the past, pwedeng inalisan mo, and then pwedeng a job in the past ang magsabi sa'yo or mag-alok sa'yo o baka gusto mo bumalik, ganito ganyan. And some of you with the Devil, this is your energy na you will try to manipulate the connection or yung connection ng mga tao sa future. no, para sa'yo. Like, this is you na parang, oh, hindi na ako papayag na kayanin. And, for me, it's good, it's nice. Kasi, yung mga past connection, past relationship, and past situation mo, nanatili ka lang positibo, no? May mga bagay kang iniwasan, na naging dahilan kung bakit parang naging kalmado ka lang, na in a way, ikaw yung kinaya-kaya, ikaw yung hinandle, or ikaw yung parang sabihin na nating nagpakababa. And then, in a way, naging ikaw yung nagsuffer. Now, this time, you are trying to be the one na mag-handle, and you're thinking about long term in the future. And ay, nakakita tayo ng stability for you. Pagdating sa money, pagdating sa career, I can see some of you may pagta-travel. I can see some of you na pwedeng kumo-connect sa iba, like maybe sa mga ibang tao or ibang kultura, ibang lahi. And I can see you na nagkakaroon ka ng pagkatuto because of that. Okay? Wait lang guys, medyo ka. And, sorry about that. Anyway, I can see you na, parang marami ka pang naaabot, marami ka pang natatanaw, marami ka pang natutunan na mas nagbibigay sa iyo ng stability in the future. So, pagdating sa money, yan, lalo na with the strength card, that is Leo energy. Ayan, you are protecting your own self. Ayan. And then, alam mo na kung paano protektahan yung sarili mo, yung isip mo, mga desisyon mo, mas alam mo yung tama para sa'yo, at mas nagbibigay ito ng positivity na outcome, positive outcome pagdating sa iyong career. You know how to speak less. Kasi when you speak less, the more na hindi ka magsasalita, the more na walang igaganti or salita na laban sa'yo. Nagigets mo yon. And mas nakakatulong yon. Now, pagdating sa love, ganun din, I can see you being more stable emotionally, no? Kasi hindi ka na nagpapakaya hindi ka na yung tipo ng tao na parang, pwede mo laruin ang feelings ko, ngayon hindi na. So, in the future, you are the king of swords. So, whether magkaroon ka ng relationship, kakonek, wala, it doesn't matter. You can handle yourself. You are stronger than before, lalo na with the strength card. And, I can see a person in the past, pagdating sa love, who is planning to come back to have this long-term commitment or connection with you. Gusto niya ng long-term commitment, connection, gusto niya ng relationship. This person is willing na, or gusto niya ng magpaka-vulnerable, magpaka-open sa'yo regarding sa kanyang emotions. And maybe this person sees you as a mother, yan, na parang I know you are the one who can heal me from these traumas na mga pinagdaanan ko in the past. And yeah, this person is coming back. Showing us the Page of Cups. Pwedeng hindi naging emotionally mature itong person na to in the past, but it doesn't matter. Itong person na to is coming back. It over the Temperance card and the Chariot. Matagal din bago bumalik itong taong to. So, I can see a person who is from your past. Pwedeng may childhood memories ka with this person, or maybe years na yung inabot bago siya bumalik. Okay, but this time, babalik siya. And yung pagbalik niya, parang take me. Sige, ikaw nang bahala sa akin. Parang ganun. Thank you for watching. I love you all, and bye-bye.